Hello friends, today we are going to learn the Homecoming by Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was the great Indian poet and author. He was awarded Nobel Prize for Literature for his collection of songs Gitanjali. Tagore has written short stories too, and The Homecoming is one of the heart-touching stories. It is the story about the schoolboy children, teenage boy, and his name is the Fatik Chakravarti. Fatik Chakravarti was ringleader among the boys of his village. He plays various tricks to amuse his friends. The new mischief thought by him was to roll away a big log lying on the sand of the river. Phatik Chakravarti younger brother named Makhan. He is come and sat on the log without any word. The boys told him to go away. Phatik warned him that if he did not move away, he would beat him. Phatik told the boys to move the log along with Makhan. The boys did it and Makhan fell down. But just fun was about to begin, Makhan. And this is the Makhan. He cried, "If you don't get down this minute, I will thrash you." Makhan only moved to a more comfortable position. He was pushed rather timidly. माखन हा एक लहान भाऊ असतो फॅटिकचा आणि त्याला फॅटिक रिंगल लीडर असल्यामुळे सगळे बॉईज त्याला पाण्यामध्ये ढकलण्याचा प्रयत्न करत असतात. द बॉईज बिगिन टू हेवी ॲट द लॉग विथ ऑल देअर माइट, कॉलिंग आउट 1 2 3 गो, अँड द word go the log went, and with it went Makhan's philosophy, glory, and all. All the other boys shouted themselves hoarse with delight, but Fatik was a little frightened. He knew that was coming, and sure enough, Makhan rose from Mother Earth, blind as fate and screaming like the Furies. He rushed at Fatik and scratched his face and beat him, kicked him, and then went crying home. The first act of the drama was over. Fatik wiped his face. फाटिक जो आहे तो पाण्यामध्ये पडतो आणि त्यानंतर त्याला पाण्यात ढकलल्यानंतर तो घरी रडत रडत जातो आणि ही वॉज क्राईंग अँड सॅट डाऊन ऑन द एज ऑफ सेकंड बार्ज ऑन द रिव्हर बँक, पीस ऑफ ग्रास. आणि अशा वेळेस तो जात असताना ही सॉ द बॉय सिटिंग देअर डुईंग सम नथिंग अँड आस्क हिम देअर द चक्रवर्तीज लिव्ह. फॅटिक हा ज्यावेळेस त्याच्या चेहऱ्यावरती खूप वेगळे हावभाव दिसायला लागतात त्यावेळेस चक्रवर्ती कुठे राहतात असं विचारण्यासाठी एक पर्सन येतो तिथे. आणि द स्ट्रेंजर आस्क हिम अगेन. ही swung his leg to and fro on the side of the barge and said, "Go and find out," and continue to chew the grass as before. फॅटिक हा पुन्हा त्याचं तोंडामध्ये एक चेविंग चालू असते, त्याचं ग्रास चघळत असतो आणि त्या पर्सनला इट मीन्स हिज नेम इज बिशंबर अँड फॅटिक्स मामा बिशंबर नाव गो अँड फाइंड आउट. नाव इफ फॅटिक वॉज कीप हिज रिगल डिग्निटी बिफोर द पब्लिक, it was clear he ought to carry out his threat, but his courage failed him at the crisis. Fertile brain. It means आता काय झालेलं आहे की माखन घरी जाऊन त्याच्या मदरला सर्व काही सांगतो आणि ॲट दॅट टाईम स्टोरी अशी होते की बिशंबर जो आहे जो त्यांच्या घरी येतो तो त्याचा मामा असतो आणि ॲट दॅट टाईम बिशंबर केम अँड विश टेक फॅटिक विथ हिम टू कॅलकटा and then mother do became happy. Mother also happy for the Bishambar and Fatigue. Before going with his uncle, it means uncle Bishambar, Fatigue gave all his things and toys to Makhan and now went to Calcutta. Fatigue aunt did not like him as an addition to her family. It means Fatigue's mommy did not like him. One day in the school in Calcutta, Fatigue was called backward student and he was beaten by the teacher. And at that time, playing on the ground, he looked at big houses, wished to go home, and now he wished to go home. One day he dared to ask his uncle when he could go home. At that time, his uncle was told him, when holidays come, we will go. Aunt became angry and did not become ready to buy book for him. One day, his book was stolen, and at that time, his aunt became angry for Fatigue. The main reason for his sickness was the anger of his aunt. Okay. One day, Fatigue suffered from fever and headache, and the main reason is sickness was the anger of his aunt. Next morning, Fatigue was not seen anywhere. He was not found, so Bishambar asked for the help of police. And in the evening time, police searched him and brought him home, and he was covered with rain, water, and mud. He shivering with fever, and uncle carried him in arms. The aunt said, "The boy is the trouble for us. Why haven't you better sent him home?" Fatigue heard the words and he said sobbing, "Uncle was really going home and police dragged me back and doctor was brought." Fatigue asked, "Uncle, have the holidays come yet? May I go home?" पुन्हा तो विचारतो की हॉलिडेज कधी येणार आहे आणि मी कधी घरी जाणार आहे. ॲट दॅट टाईम मे आय गो होम. He was half conscious and half unconscious. Bishambar wept his own tears and sat beside him all the night. Sometimes he muttered, "Mother, don't beat me. I am telling the truth." Bishambar told him that he had sent a message to his mother. The next day, the doctor said with troubled voice that the condition of Fatigue was very critical. In the afternoon time, Fatigue's mother came crying and entered Fatigue's room, and he just uttered, "Oh, mother," continuously said, "Fatigue, my darling, my darling." Fatigue turned his head and slowly and said, "Mother, the holidays have come." At that means, "Mother, the holidays have come." It means his mother feelings was very conscious, and at that time he hugged to each other, and he is very happy for his mother. And now in this way the lesson or the story was end. Thank you.